Hello everyone. Today we have to learn about congruency of triangles. In this congruency of triangles, we have some criteria how we can prove that the two triangles are congruent to each other. I hope that you know the meaning of the word congruency. The word congruency says that, or the word congruent says that, the two things are identical in shape and size. If I'm superimposing them each other, they will be like to each other. They will be identical to each other. So for the congruency of triangles, whenever we have to mention that, for example, I'm saying triangle ABC, this is my triangle ABC. If this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, if I want to say that they both are congruent to each other, I have to use the symbol of this one. This symbol indicates that they both triangles are equal to each other. They both triangles are congruent to each other. I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So this symbol itself indicates that they are the congruent triangles. But one more term is coming here, because it is important to learn few things about congruency of triangles before starting the criteria for the congruencies. So this is the first thing, the symbol which we have to use, how we can show that two triangles are congruent to each other. And the other thing is that corresponding parts. Corresponding parts says that the parts of the two triangles, the parts in these two triangles which are having the same position or which are having the same place, I can say that sides or the angles which are having the same place, For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, I am saying that the corresponding parts are like BC and QR. They are the corresponding parts. If I am looking about this one, AB will be corresponding to PQ. AC will be corresponding to PR. They are the corresponding parts, corresponding sides, because they both are having the same position. This is also having the same position and it is also having this one. So same position. If I'm talking about the angles of the corresponding, I can say that angle B will be corresponding to angle Q. Angle A will be corresponding to angle P. Angle C will be corresponding to angle R. Very good. So these are the corresponding things. And whenever we are writing the name itself, from the name we can also identify which are the corresponding parts, or which are the corresponding angles, or which are the corresponding sides from this name itself. Because if we are writing triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, we can say that side AB will be equals to side PQ. Side BC will be equals to side QR. Side AC will be equals to side PR. By the name itself, we can say that these are the corresponding parts, and even though we have to write the name according to the corresponding parts also. If I'm talking about the angles in this one, I can write that angle A will be equals to angle P. Very good. Angle A will be equals to angle P. Angle B will be equals to angle Q, and angle C will be equals to angle R. So these are the few just key terms which you have to know about the congruency of triangles. So now let us see which are the criterias, which are the 4 criterias we are having to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other. If we want to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other, which criteria we have to follow? Actually, we have 4 criterias with us. In this video, we will discuss about one criteria, and like that we will have the 4 videos in which we can discuss about the 4 criterias. If you want to know about these criterias completely, please do watch all the 4 videos from the starting to the end. If you will miss any point, you will miss something very important for you. So the first criteria for congruency that we are going to study is that S.S.S Congruency rule. Congruency rule or congruency criterion. You can say anything. S.S.S. The full form is that side, side, side. First of all, always remember that whenever we want to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other, we have to prove that 3 things, at least 3 things in a combination should be equal in both of the triangles. Always remember that whenever we want to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other, prove at least 3 common things which should be equal in both the triangles. It may be 3 sides, it may be 2 sides and 1 angle, it may be 2 angles and 1 side, like that. So in a perfect combination, we have these combination with us. The first combination is the side, side, side. If you are proving that all the 3 sides of one triangle is equal to all the 3 sides of the other triangle, then these two triangles are actually congruent to each other. Now let us see. Example. I have a triangle MNO. I'm drawing this triangle here, MNO. In this MNO, this is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now I have another triangle XYZ. XYZ. Same thing is there. This XY is 5 centimeter, this YZ is 4 centimeter, and this XZ is 3 centimeter. I can see that in both of the triangles, MN is actually equals to XY. So I'm putting this symbol, 1 dot here, like that. This one line indicates that these two lines are actually equal to each other. Second thing, can I say that MO is equals to, very good, XZ. So I have already indicated these 2 lines with a single dash. So I will indicate that by 2 dashes. That means these 2 lines are actually equal to each other. Now third one is that, can I say NO will be equals to, very good, YZ. Means this line is equal to this line. This 3 line here and 3 lines are indicate that these 2 lines are actually equal to each other. So can I say that we know to prove any 2 triangles are equal to each other, we have to prove minimum 3 things. They should be equal in both of the triangles. So can we say that this first side is equal, this is also side are equal, and this is also a side is equal. So 3 sides are equal in both of the triangles. If 3 sides are equal in both of the triangles, can I say that triangle MNO is congruent to triangle MNO will be congruent to triangle MN is equal to XY. So XYZ. This triangle MNO is congruent to triangle XYZ by S.S.S Congruency Criterion or Congruency Rule. Anything you can say that. If three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of the other triangle, we can say that the triangle 1 is corresponding or is congruent to triangle 2 by side congruency rule. S.S.S Congruency Rule. I hope it is clear to you. Let me take one more example for this one. Example number 2. Triangle ABC ABC 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter. ABC and triangle DEF DEF 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter. I want to find out that whether these two triangles are congruent or not. If they are congruent, then by which criteria they are congruent. If they are congruent, then by which criteria they are congruent. That is more important thing. So let us do the solution here. Let us find out whether they are congruent or not. So we know that whenever we want to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other, we need to prove at least three things should be common in both. Three things should be equal in both of the triangles. So first thing, I am saying that AC is actually equals to 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter means DF equals to 10 centimeter. And because this thing is actually given to me in the question, so I am writing here given. In the bracket, we always need to write why I am saying that these two things are equal. If it is given to you in the question, you can simply write that given in the question or given itself. But for example, if you're finding something, then you have to write that because of this rule or because of this criteria, these two things are equal. So it is given to me in the question itself. That is why I'm writing given only here. So one thing I got that AC is equal to DF. Can I say that AB means 7 centimeter is equal to DE means 7 centimeter. So DE equals to 7 centimeter. Here also I can write that it is given to me in the question. Now the third thing, CB is equals to EF, that is equals to 9 centimeter, and it is also given to me. So can I say that I have proved three things are equal in both of the triangles? First one is a side, second one is also a side, and third one is also a side. So all the three are the sides. So actually we have proved that three things are equal. So I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to. Now how to write the name of this one? Triangle ABC is congruent to. See, AB is congruent to, AB is equal to, see here, AB is actually equals to DE. So I have to write triangle DE and the third point F. They are congruent to each other by S.S.S congruency criteria. You can write here by congruency criterion. So we have proved here that these two triangles are congruent to each other because of the congruency rule side. You can see in this figure, if I will take this figure out and I will flip like this 7 centimeter will come here. After turning, this 7 centimeter will come here like this. So if I'm flipping this one, I will superimpose it. Superimpose means I will put it over, then triangle ABC will be equal to triangle DEF. So this is all about the side congruency rule. I hope you have understood it. If you have a doubt, you are free to feel ask in the comment box. Thank you so much. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.